What's that? Onion? What do you feed?
Onion under a box.
Really? Santa bring you onion for this Christmas?
I don't know why Santa give me.
Check another one. I hope that one's a toy.
A carrot.
Oh, Santa. How come you give us carrot for Ruthie?
Hey, stop it! That's onion.
That your gift
No,
from Santa? You said that.
I want you to have these gifts.
Let's open the other ones.
I hope this one is a toy. Hey! Another carrot.
No, Santa.
Oh, Santa! How could Santa give me a vegetable, Daddy? Let me tell my daddy. Santa gave me a carrot.
No. Sleep now. Ruthie.
Daddy, Daddy, Daddy.
Nee.
Santa give me a carrot. He gave me vegetables. And they're going to